Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a MM540 for full service at the moment. You can just have a look. The vehicle has completely fitted with a brand new painted body in this. It's been totally a complete changeover from a new body, from old body to a brand new body. You can just have a look at complete servicing is done at the moment. You can just check complete wheels have been removed at the moment, and you can just check the bearings are going to be replaced. The knuckle kit is going to be replaced. Everything is cleaned in the diesel, and brake cylinders are going to be replaced, and hub greasing will be done completely. Both the sides brake cylinders will be added with the brand new brake cylinders, and you can just check the knuckle kit which has been completely removed. So all old parts will be replaced because this is an old vehicle, and brand new parts will be installed on this. Brake liners will be fitted at the moment. You can just check the under chassis also. It's been painted completely black with a new body fittings, and right now the rubber items will also be replaced here, and you can just check the complete servicing is done, and differential oil also will be replaced, gearbox oil will be replaced, coolants will be replaced, and engine oil also is going to be replaced. You can just have a look at the backside brake cylinders also. So the drums are being removed at the moment. The liners are completely removed. So stay tuned and watch our channel. So this is the old body which was available on the vehicle. It's completely cut and removed at the moment. You can just check how bad the condition was of the old body at the moment. And this because this is a 1988 model which was not using, customer was not using this vehicle. Total rusting was being done on this vehicle. You can just check out the brand new painted body is being fitted on this 540 at the moment. For any kinds of major servicing regarding Jeep, Gypsies, Boleros, Stars, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. So please like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned and watch more and more videos coming from our channel. For any kinds of queries, please like and subscribe our channel, and we do visit our workshop which is in Pinia, Bangalore. Our workshop name is Jeep Zone Bangalore. Thank you.